everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. So this week, I'm just going to have some bloomin' fun. That's what I'm going to do. This would probably be about a 14 by 10, 12 inch, something. Wombat, help.
18 by 12.
There we go. So, yes, that's the size of my oval. Wombat. Right, we're going to put some tunes on. Let's just have some fun.
For sure.
still feel you here, even though you've departed. The dust isn't quite settling. It's so sweet, holding on to hope, holding on to Love high. Love high. Love high. Love high. You're always afraid of the rise and fall that takes place. I wish you could see I'm not scared of pain. I could sit through acid rain. I'll take your place. Love high. Love high. Love high. Love
Alright guys, well I think we'll bring you in for a close-up of that one. That was just a simple big blue in my favourite blues. I hope you enjoyed. And that is it for me this week. Thank you again for watching the Fluid Art Express and joining us every week. We greatly appreciate it. So until next week, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Go get messy.
to show you know what I've been